Welcome to Groove Tips and Tricks. On today's video we are going to cover some of the more advanced features on the Design tab. We've covered pretty much all the basics which you will need to know to get your website up and running and looking how you want it. Now we'll go into some further customization. So we'll start with the global style options. Basically this is a menu that allows you to create a style from a specific element and then apply that to another element. So it's really useful if you're creating multiple of the same thing, for example buttons, nav bars, anything like that. So to create a style you simply select the element that you want to copy and that will copy all of the active styles, which is obviously, as you can see, everything with the little green dot next to it. Create a new style, name it something, press the tick. Now that is there to be applied to any other element. Now if you go into edit styles, we've got a list, rename, clone, delete. That is a list of all the styles you've created. So we'll drag another button in and show you how it works. Obviously these are completely different, and if you've got two buttons right next to each other, you're probably going to want them looking the same. So we'll select that, and there we go. So that has got that global style applied to it now, so they look the same. And that is a very easy way of setting up multiple of the same elements on your site. Next we'll move on to the custom attributes drop down. Now this you won't really use too much, it's more for Groove predefined blocks. As you can see, if we go into the nav bar, that's got its own ID which is assigned by the block. When you drag it in, it'll give it an ID. Custom CSS is something you may want to use eventually if you have some external styling that you want to apply to a specific block or element, but it's not going to be used all that often. So that is the global style menu, which can be pretty useful for creating duplicates of the same elements on your Groove site, and the custom attributes menu. Thanks for watching.